Greetings, esteemed Globe Trotters, and welcome to another episode on Globe Trotter's Guide. Here, we venture into the exciting and sometimes challenging world of travel, offering tips, tricks, and insights to make your journeys smoother. Today, we're delving into a topic that might have some of you breaking into a cold sweat: traveling with toddlers. From what to pack, to keeping them engaged, meal times, nap times, and planning ahead, we've got you covered. So buckle up as we navigate the world of traveling with toddlers. The first step to a smooth journey with your toddler is packing, and oh boy, do we have a checklist for you. Packing for a trip with your little one can feel like preparing for a small-scale military operation. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's start with the basics. You'll want to pack plenty of diapers and wipes. Trust me, you'll be thankful for every single one of those wipes when you're 30,000 feet in the air. Next, don't forget your toddler's favorite toys. Remember, familiarity breeds contentment. That little stuffed bunny or superhero action figure can be a lifesaver when it comes to keeping your toddler occupied. Now, let's talk clothes. Pack extra, and then pack some more. Spills, accidents, sudden weather changes, you name it, it can happen. And yes, that includes the unfortunate but all too real possibility of a mid-flight diaper explosion. Let me share a little story. Once I thought I was being clever by packing light. I thought, what's the worst that could happen? Well, let's just say a juice box explosion, 2 diaper accidents, and 1 ice cream incident later, I learned my lesson. Last but not least, don't forget the snacks. Healthy, easy-to-eat snacks can keep hunger tantrums at bay and make the journey more enjoyable for everyone involved. Remember, when traveling with toddlers, there's no such thing as overpacking. Now that you've packed like a pro, let's tackle the next challenge: keeping your little one entertained during the flight. Flying can be a daunting experience for toddlers, but with the right in-flight entertainment, it can quickly turn into an exciting adventure. It's all about finding the perfect balance between rest and activity, and creating an environment that's both fun and calming. Interactive games are a great way to keep them engaged. Simple card games or travel-sized board games can be a lot of fun. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. Bring along a couple of their favorite books and you've got an instant distraction. Now, we can't ignore the technology, can we? Portable devices are a lifesaver on long flights. Load up your tablet with their favorite shows, educational apps, or even digital books. But remember, moderation is key. You don't want to overstimulate them. Consider bringing along a few surprise toys. A new plaything can work wonders in keeping a toddler's interest. Just make sure they're quiet toys to avoid disturbing other passengers. And last but not least, don't forget about the good old-fashioned window gazing. With the clouds, the sky, and the miniature world below, there's plenty for their curious minds to explore. With a little creativity, even a long flight can turn into a fun adventure for your toddler. Meal and nap times, the trickiest parts of traveling with toddlers. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's start with meal times. It's best to pack snacks your little one loves. Think about foods that are easy to handle, not too messy, and of course, nutritious. Finger foods like grapes, cherry tomatoes, or carrot sticks are always a good choice. And don't forget to pack some treats for those just-in-case moments. A small bag of their favorite crackers or a piece of chocolate can be a lifesaver in a pinch. Hydration is another key aspect of meal times. Flying can dry you out, and that's even more true for our little ones. So, make sure to bring a spill-proof sippy cup or water bottle. You can fill it up after you pass security, or ask the cabin crew for water once you're on board. Now, on to nap times. The unfamiliar environment of an airplane can make it difficult for your toddler to doze off. But there's a hack for that. Bring a piece of home with you. A favorite blanket, a much-loved stuffed animal, or even a well-worn t-shirt that smells like you can help your child feel safe and comfortable. For those long-haul flights, consider packing a travel pillow. It can make the airplane seat cozier and more conducive to sleep. And remember, the white noise of the airplane can be soothing, but if it's not enough, you can always download some soft lullabies or calming stories on your device. Finally, try to maintain your regular routines as much as you can. If your child is used to a story before nap time, bring a small book to read. If they always have a snack before sleeping, make sure you've got that covered too. Remember, every child is unique, so what works for one might not work for another. Keep experimenting, and you'll soon find a rhythm that works for you and your little one. With these tips, meal and nap time on planes just got a whole lot easier. Lastly, remember the golden rule of traveling with toddlers. Always plan ahead. This isn't just about packing the right snacks or toys, it goes beyond that. Think about the flight itself. Are there child-friendly amenities? Does the airline offer a bassinet or extra legroom? These might seem like small details, but trust me, they can make a world of difference. And don't forget about the time zones. If you're crossing several of them, consider how this might impact your little one's sleep schedule. Jet lag doesn't discriminate by age, and a toddler with disrupted sleep is, well, a force to be reckoned with. Planning ahead also means thinking about your destination. Are there kid-friendly activities or attractions? Will the climate be suitable for your toddler? So, whether it's the flight, the time zones, or the destination, keep your toddler in mind at every step of your travel planning. Remember, a well-planned trip can make all the difference when traveling with toddlers. And that's a wrap on our guide to traveling with toddlers. We covered everything from the essential packing checklist to keeping your little ones entertained in flight, managing meal and nap times, and the importance of planning ahead. We'd love to hear your own tips and experiences, so drop them in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Sharing this video also helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Until next time, happy globetrotting.